This is Calvin Waite. I trade crypto for a living. I'm not a registered or licensed financial advisor, planner, or broker, so nothing on this channel should be taken as a recommendation to buy or sell. I also trade all of these things, so I probably have a vested interest in there. But there's plenty of entertainment value and lots of education, so this will be awesome. For those of you who didn't know, my subscription channel is live. So look at the link in the description over at cryptoinfluencers.com, and you can see how I make all of my trades and what I do and what I think about everything. This channel is for more hypothetical and looking at trends, and the other one is for actual trading, so you might be interested in that. So, how's it going, everybody? Happy Tuesday evening. It took me a little while to get my video out today because just, life's busy. So, but yeah, I definitely wanted to take a minute and talk about our amazing close today. Pretty phenomenal. First of all, just reminding you that my home base is at cryptoinfluencers.com, and I noticed a few people subscribed to my free channel, which is awesome. Definitely subscribe here if possible. I would love for you to join the home base. And then my subscription channels here in case you're curious on how to manage risk and do all that stuff. I can't overemphasize how unusual it is that I show you how my own personal trading. There are a lot of people that try to teach you how to trade, and they're all about theory, and they'll never show you what they're actually doing because trading is hard. And watching someone go through it in real time and dealing with mistakes and dealing with a trade that doesn't go your way is invaluable. So just want to let you know that it's worth taking a look just for the education. All right. Oh yes, tomorrow's live stream day. So we will be 12:30. We'll be streaming live, and that's when we can talk about questions. You can ask questions about other coins than just Bitcoin and Ethereum or whatever else is going on in the news. Anything's up for grabs, so that's always fun. Okay, Bitcoin just closed. It was about 2 hours ago. And I just want to ask you, what is this formation? This is a bullish engulfing candle. Most often it's a trend reversal found at the bottom of a trend, but anytime you see one, it usually means that there's a lot of strength in a market. And what's really cool about this is that all our eyes for the past, it's been quite a while. We've been up here and we've been expecting some kind of a pullback. All of our emphasis has been on our highest wick. And I pointed this out a couple days ago. So 29,185, pretty much 184 is our highest wick on our prior resistance. So when we break that, where do you think we want to intersect? We want a wick or something to come down and just touch that wick and give us a handoff between resistance and support. And man, we got the perfect flip from resistance to support. Look at this. I'll go to the 1 hour. Look at this. So 1 hour, I'm zooming way out. This was a wild breakout. So this was kind of a really, really high reach for this move. And then we chilled out for weeks. We were down here for weeks. Finally get a breakout. We get some good movement up here. And we pulled back really, really, really hard. And we were close. The day before we missed it by about, $60. And I think I even mentioned this on the video. Or maybe I mentioned it to the pro channel or something. I was like, oh, we're close. We just need one more day to just push down a little bit more and see if we can intersect this. And look what we did. Not only did we catch it, but we caught it on a beautiful reversal candle. This is on the hourly. It's easier to see if whoops. Got my little marker out here. Let me just hide volume. That'll be the easiest way. Look at this. Perfect reversal candle. So we go down, we tag it and flip from resistance back here to support right here. Once that handoff is complete, we run monstrously. We just absolutely launched. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. And this was short. Look at this. We'll go 5 minute 5-minute chart. Look at this. It happened in 10 minutes. Within it, actually, let's even go to 1 minute. Let's just see. How long did it take for us to hit that target and reverse? We came down. The low on this candle was, oh, sorry. I'm on the 1 minute, so I got to get over to the right place. The low on this candle was 29,152. What we needed was 29,185. So let's see. We did get it here. Yep. So this was not enough. This was not enough. This one, yeah, 185. We needed, so during this minute, we hit it. 1 minute later, we definitely hit it. Then we reversed, and our high was above our mark. Our mark's right here, 29,184. We had 3 minutes. We had 3 minutes in this range. So we spent 3 minutes flipping from resistance, from support to, 3 minutes, switching from resistance to support. So in 3 minutes, we found support, and we bounced, caught ourselves, exited the red zone, and went absolutely straight up. Look at this move. Just, that was it. We hit it, we moved all the way up to 30,500 almost. I mean, that is phenomenal. This is perfect. Like, this is, you know, just seeing this unfold is just so cool. You have exactly what you need. And now, let's go back to our 1 hour chart. Look what we've got going on here. This is a beautiful cup and handle. Look at that. Exactly what we need. Normally, you'd want to break out, but sometimes you'll get a consolidation just for a little bit after this. But I would expect that there's a little more upside to go. In fact, these things come with a target. If this is the top of our cup and handle, we'll put it here because we ended our handle right there. The bottom of our wick and the top of our cup. So 1,328 is the target from breakout. So 1,328 will give us a price of about 32,000. This could potentially be, I mean, depends on how it plays, but I've been kind of expecting that we start slowing down a little bit. But if we hit this price of about 23, about 21,780, somewhere in here, where if we hit our target on that tiny little thing, we are getting close to where I'm expecting to reject off of this 100. And so our market is getting there. It's climbing, but the structure on Bitcoin is sound. So this does not show any weakness. There is still a methodical move to the upside. So if we came up to about 32,000, we pulled back and intersected this wick, and this is now at 31,000. We would have another leg, and we can continue to march up through this. Normally, yeah, I don't know. It's tough to say how this market is going to behave. Historically, we've gotten a little bit overheated and then had a long consolidation, and it's been pretty normal for every market. So I'm not expecting Bitcoin to act any different. You can kind of see how we got out of this bear market, and then we had a pullback and kind of leveled off for a long time. This represents months of sideways, and then we started climbing, and then we kind of lifted off. Same thing happened here at this bear market here. We pulled back a lot, big move to the downside, and when we kind of hit our buying climax and really kind of got in up to here, this represents 5 months of sideways. So historically, we've seen this many times. Our most brutal one was this one, because we got up to the top. This actually took us 9 months to get out. So every single time we've had this. So at some point we're going to get overheated, and then we're going to go sideways or down for about, if history is any indication, it'll be 5 months to 9 months. So markets love to throw a wrench at you, but I'm going to be a little cautious once we hit about this 100 week moving average. But still, the formation of this and how we're slowly climbing up and making progress is absolutely beautiful. You just can't ask for a better structure. It didn't translate quite as pretty on Ethereum. Ethereum still has to go for a little bit. This is the weekly, and you can see how our beautiful breakout, we do want to spend several weeks up here, and we do want to come back and find this line of support. This is 1939. So we're still creating that structure for Ethereum. Same here. So we have this beautiful resistance to support all the way through, but we have this gap. And that doesn't mean it's going to be there forever. But if we consolidate in this area and we pull back to this line or this line, either will be good. But if we pull back to this line, it'll take us a little more work to get back up to our prior high. Either of these are perfectly acceptable. And it's likely that we could find support here if the market is bullish. So we'll see. But yeah, pretty cool. For Ethereum, the end of day didn't quite turn out as absolutely picture perfect. We're just consolidating sideways. This is the 1 hour chart. So you can kind of see there's obviously no flip from resistance to support because the market just looks different. But beautiful reversal candle right here, and we definitely headed up. We're kind of ranging sideways right now, and we'll see how this comes out. But tomorrow could be an interesting day. We just love Wednesdays. Those Wednesdays are always full of something. There's always some weird announcement. There's always some volatility. There's always something crazy going on Wednesdays. So it's either the worst day to live stream or it's the best day, so we can talk through it and kind of work through what's going on. But anyway, we'll catch you all tomorrow. It should be fun. We'll see you. Thanks for making it to the end of my video. Make sure you keep those trades small. Don't force a trade. Don't get impatient. And if you want to see how all this works, please come over and check me out on the subscription channel at cryptoinfluencers.com. Again, the link is in the description.